All right, it is 2 o'clock on Friday, October 2nd for the Windsor Heights Weekly Construction Updates meeting. We're going to give any latecomers a couple minutes here to get logged in, and we'll start with prepared remarks on the project updates here at about 2:02. All right, so the time is 2:02. I've got Justin down here at the shop with me, so I'm going to step aside so that he can do the project update. These updates will be provided in writing on the city's website after this virtual meeting. They'll also be printed off, and there will be 50 copies of each at City Hall.
All right, we'll start with 69th Street. Stay closer. We'll start with 69th Street, Stage 1. For the week of September 5th, the contractor will be watering the recently seeded areas that week. Stage 2 for the week of October 5th, the contractor will continue storm installation. This work is anticipated to take 2 weeks. Anticipated to begin road work the week of October 19th with anticipated street paving for the week of October 26th. Due to the work on University, Stage 4 was anticipated to start before Stage 3 due to access issues at the University. Work on Stage 4 is anticipated to begin in the week of November 2nd. The contract will be putting out door hangers close to the start date to inform property owners of the start date. Let's see, College Drive, Stage 1. For the week of October 5th, the contractor will be prepping the disturbed areas for seed and will be seeding those areas. Stage 2, for the week of October 5th, the contractor will be prepping for street paving with anticipated paving to occur at the end of next week of that week. They will finish street concrete work the week of October 12th and then begin sidewalk and driveway grading will follow that. Stage 3 for the week of October 5th, the contractor will grade the roadway and install rock. Street paving will be the week of October 12th with sidewalk and driveway work to follow. Stage 4 is anticipated to begin the week of October 26th. The contractor will be putting out door notices for those once we get a little closer to figure out a start date. Allison Avenue, Stage 1. For the week October 5th, the contractor will continue watering the seeded areas. Stage 2, for the week October 5th, contractor will continue storm sewer installation. They're anticipating that'll be wrapping up within a week and a half. Anticipated to begin road work the week of October 19th with anticipated street paving the week of October 26th. The 64th Street intersection will be closed for storm sewer installation and paving operations at some point following the paving of Stage 2. Notice will be given for when that comes to fruition. University Avenue, during the week of October 5th, the roadway between 68th Street and 73rd Street will be still reduced to one lane. Looking at possibly opening that up later in that week. Please follow the posted detours. Concrete work will continue with work on the intersection of 70th. Sidewalk construction restoration will be on the north side of the roadway between 70th and 73rd, along with electrical work and signal work. The 2020 PCC patching during the week of October 5th, they'll wrap up working on the bridge approach there at 73rd Street, so we're hoping to get those opened up by the end of the week. There might be some night work going on there, so please watch for the traffic, some workers out there. Once that gets opened up, they'll head down a little farther south and begin the road work, some patching along that area too. So that wraps up the weekly updates. So.
All right, looks like we got a few people joining us here this week. So, Matt, I'm going to unmute you if you got any questions for us.
No questions.
Okay. Well, thanks for calling in. Susan, I'm going to unmute you if you got any questions.
Was there an incident down on Allison today with a gas line getting hit?
Yes.
Yep. They hit a main, or was it a main or a service? They hit a shallow service, and they got it fixed right away.
So nobody's out of gas or anything like that?
Nope.
Excellent. Thank you.
Yep. Dennis, it looks like you're in here. So, Dennis, you got any questions about the projects? Got you unmuted. I'm trying to unmute you. Okay, and then Whitney, have you got any questions about the projects? Take that as a no. All right, well, like I said, written updates will be posted on the website later this afternoon. And Susan, there will be some paper copies printed out in the conference room up at City Hall if you want to hand any of them out over the weekend or before our next updates go out next week. With that, I'm going to mute myself and hang out for 5 or 10 minutes here to see if anybody else joins late. Have a nice weekend. All right, the time is 2:19 on Friday, October 2nd. Seeing as now about 10 minutes have gone by and no one has joined our virtual meeting, we're going to end the meeting. The recording will be posted on our website along with write-ups of what to expect on these projects over the next week. Thank you and have a nice weekend.